left, full rudder. Port side turn. Missile silos are ready for launch. Right turn, take course 120. Torpedo 2 ready for firing, sir. Ahead, 25 knots.
Torpedo tubes at full alert.
Torpedoes in the water. Distance 470 and closing. Going left. Torpedoes in the water. Distance 470 and closing. Right full rudder.
Torpedo tubes at full alert.
Half ahead. Stop the engines. Torpedoes in the water. Distance 470 and closing. The target is hit. Prepare for floating. 30-degree up bubble. Half astern. Going right. Heading 340. Half ahead.